Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Science Lesson 2. With today's lesson, we will be able to conclude what we have learned so far in Unit 6. Let's review the topic. Our learning outcomes are recall sources of sound. Let's review sounds. Sounds come from sources such as humans, animals, and non-living things. Sounds can be loud or soft. Loud sounds can be blocked by wearing earmuffs. Sounds are heard when they enter our ears and get softer as they move away from their sources. Sounds are all around us. Sounds are everywhere. These sounds help us to learn a lot about our surroundings. By surrounding, we mean that place where you are or the things around you that make sound. Some people who don't have sense of sight, that means they don't have eyes. They use their sense of hearing to learn about things around them. Our sense of hearing can be damaged by listening to loud music or loud sounds. Recap of Unit 6. What we have learned so far. Let's conclude. Sources, like anything that makes sound, is called source of sound. Like people talking, that is humans. Animals make sound like ba, moo. These are some animals like sheep and cow that make sound. Some non-living things like cars, mobile phones make sounds. But remember, all non-living things don't make sound, like cups, books, unless and until you bang them and create a sound. Some sounds are loud and some are soft. Loud like aeroplanes, and some animals like dogs, horses make loud sound. Some sounds are soft, like sound of bird chirping, ticking of a clock. Some sounds warn us like traffic sounds, like beep beep, car horn, honking, or bicycle bell, warning the public on the street to move safely. Loud sounds can be blocked. Earmuffs are used to block loud sounds. Some loud sounds can be blocked by using soundproof materials. You studied earlier about materials, so now you know better which materials can be used or are specially designed to block sounds. Some sounds cannot be blocked, like sound of an aeroplane. Air moves sound to our ears. That's air helps the ears to get the sound. Sounds are louder if you are near to its source. Sound gets softer as you move away from its source. That's all about sounds. I hope you enjoyed this unit as much as I did, and the fun experiments we did of creating sound symphonies. I hope you all enjoyed, and see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.